Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Evelyn. Today I'll guide you through how to make delicious Nigerian beans pancakes. Let's get started. First, we'll start with our main ingredients, and I'm going to be using about 1¾ cup of brown beans. You can also use black-eyed beans for this recipe. We'll need to soak them in water for about 20 to 30 minutes to make them easy to peel. Once the beans have soaked, it's time to peel them. You're just going to rub the beans between your hands and you'll see the skin coming off really quickly. You can also use a blender to achieve the same result, but this is how I like to wash mine, and it's only because this is how I grew up doing it. However, you can use a blender to make things easy for you. Next, you're going to rinse the beans multiple times with clean water to remove all the loose skin. You'll need to thoroughly remove all the loose skin to make this recipe, because the skin can make your pancakes really dense and you don't want that. So if you're still watching, thank you so much, and if you haven't given the video a thumbs up, please take a moment to give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done that, so you don't miss any of my amazing recipes. Next, I'll add some onions, bell pepper and 1 habanero pepper. Pour everything into a blender, add some water, and I'll blend until I get a thick, smooth paste. Now once blended, I'll pour the batter into a mixing bowl. Then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of blended crayfish and some salt to taste. Then I'll use a whisk to whisk the batter for a few minutes, and this is a crucial step in making your pancakes light and fluffy, because this incorporates some air into the batter, making the pancakes puff up beautifully when you fry them. You can also taste the batter and adjust for salt if you need to. Now let's move on to frying our pancakes. Now in a non-stick pan, I'll just add a little bit of olive oil. You can use any cooking oil that you have available. We are not deep frying, so you will need just a little oil to fry these pancakes. Now once your oil is hot enough, you're going to scoop some batter into the pan to form a layer and spread lightly with your spoon. Now you're going to fry each side for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat until they're golden brown and crispy on the edges. Then you flip it over and cook the other side for the same amount of time. At this point, my pancake is ready. I'm going to take it off the pan and place on a paper towel to absorb any excess oil. Now you're going to just repeat the same process until you're done with your batter. You're going to add a little bit of oil, just a little bit, to fry your pancake. Then you scoop some batter into the pan and spread lightly with your spoon. Fry each side for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat until it is golden brown and crispy on the edges, just like I'm doing. Once your pancake is ready, you take it off the heat and place on a paper towel to absorb any excess oil and keep them crispy. And that's it. Now you can enjoy these pancakes with your pap, custard or bread, just the way you enjoy your akara, but with less oil. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.